Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn about how to add a button to capture a screenshot from the webcam feed. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So I'm going to capture the screenshot on the button click. So this is the index file that I'm going to update, and here we have the main code for the Python where we are going to capture the screenshot. So let's copy paste that code also. So here we go with this one. So it's very simple. Most of the code is related to the previous one. Okay, so let's comment this. The last video we have opened the camera webcam. Okay, so now I'm going to create the or screenshot. We are going to make it, right. Save this, and here we go with the start the application, and let's open the link. Okay, so here you can see, and now I'm going to capture the screenshot. Okay, so if I go just click on the capture, and here you can see captured image. This is the image that I'm taking. It is today. Let's check the properties. No, and it's modified by today, May 2, right? So let's delete it and check one more. Okay, let's delete this also. Okay, let's try to make it one. Let's as just click on capture, and now here you can see captured image is just creating on HTML Python, and here you can see that the which whatever screenshot I have made, it's coming over here, right. So here you can see that the capture we have captured the screenshot. Okay, so let's see the code level how we have done this, right. So here we go with the Flask render template response request and the justify from the Flask base64 OpenCV NumPy, right. So initialize with the Flask application, generate the frames, camera index by default to be 0. While true, camera we are going to launch the camera. If the camera is not open, we will print that could not open the camera index with trying the next index. Okay, then increase the index, continue. If then print camera open successfully with the index. Okay, next if true again, so we are going to read the camera. If the fail to capture the frame, so if it is not success, then we will print that the fail to capture the frame because we are reading the camera, right. Else we are going to cv2 mcode.jpg frame, converting the frames to bytes. Okay, and here we are going to yield the frame and release the camera. Okay, so route will be the index.html. When I click on the video feed, so it will open the here in the last video we have generated the camera, right, with the help of this. And let me close all of these files, and here you can see index.html. So first you can see we have a video feed, so we are just first we have opening the camera with the video feed URL with the help of this. Okay, so it will open the camera, right, and generate frames we have already added, right. The next, when I click on the capture button, that's a post request. Okay, so request.json image data, we are going to request the data image data, right, and we are going to convert the base64 and the split the URL. Okay, with the help of the numpy we are going to create the image and save the image, capture the image with the name captured underscore image.jpg, and return that the message screenshot captured successfully. Okay, so here you can see that, but the law, I think it's return, not the console print, right. So here you can see that it will return that the screenshot captured successfully. And last, main app. Okay, so what we have do, we have first of all we are opening the camera, which is generate frames. Okay, and when I click on the capture button, here you can see the capture button, it will take the screenshot of that one. Okay, this is the code for that one. Okay, convert the base64 image data to the OpenCV format, right. So any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.